Oh, hey, Man 35 Films, YouTube. We're here today to do a review on my Zippo lighter. Very cool and very fun to use. Very nice flame, by the way. I got mine yesterday from a tobacco place for $14.99. Very nice. I'm going to bring you over here to it. Here it is right here. Zippo lighter. Very nice. $14.99. Good price. Very easy to use. Show it over here to you in the light. Very nice. I'll show you here a couple times. Very easy to snap back and forth, and then just take it while it's flaming. Do that. I'll show it to you. I suck at it, by the way. Just want to get that clap. Like that. Very easy to use. I'm not a pro at it. Huh? I think. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright. Sorry about that, that was my neighbors. They're always interrupting my videos. Anything's always interrupting my videos. Alright. So that's that. See that. Easy to use. Bring you over here. That's the case it came in. Right over there. That's nice. This. The instruction manual. And you don't have to, people think you have to be 18 to buy them. You really don't. Yeah. Alright.
And then they put their, I think they put their pencil, put data, and then they mark it off all of
Yeah.
the buildings, so they kind of
Alright. Alright. Oh, I just got a message that said the trespassing sign up there, they're making a new thing for it. Alright. Back to my video again, they interrupted me again. Okay. This, very nice instruction manual, and everything else. I'll show you how to take this apart too, and refuel it. I got my fuel for $1.49. Easy to buy. Easy to find. Just find them at your gas stations or whatever, wherever you go to, you'll find it. Yeah. There's that. I'll show you how to take it apart and refuel it here. Very easy. Show it to you real quick. Just take that piece right there. As you can see, I have a nice wick. You can buy new wicks for it. You can buy new flint at the bottom. So you just take it, open it out. There's that. You just take this, boom, take it out, put a knife in here on the side, take it open. There should be cotton. You spray that inside. Take that out to remove the flint and put new flint in. And so it's like that. And then you just take it, line it back up. Just slowly slide it back in. Voila. There's that. I'll show it to you in the place where it's dark. Show you the light in it. Hold on. Very nice flame. Easy to light. I like it a lot. Very durable. Easy to use. I polish mine every day to keep it nice. That's it. Zippo lighter. And you can, if you go to the mall, they usually have a place where you can get stuff on it and get your name engraved in it and everything. Easy to get. Easy to use. Very fun. It's my first zippo lighter. I'll be collecting them for a while. Alright then, that's it for my videos. I'll catch up with you later on some more films. N935 Films, out.